Boil. Cook food by immersing it fully in water that is bubbling vigorously. Julia boiled the pasta until it was al dente. Fry. Cook food in hot oil or fat, typically in a shallow pan. He fried the eggs sunny side up for breakfast. Grill. Cook food on a grate over direct heat, often from below. They grilled the steaks to perfection. Roast. Cook food, usually uncovered, in an oven or over an open flame. She roasted the vegetables in the oven. Bake. Cook food using dry heat in an oven without direct exposure to a flame. The cookies baked in the oven for 10 minutes. Steam. Cook food using the vapor from boiling water. He steamed the broccoli until it was tender. Simmer. Cook food gently in liquid at a temperature just below boiling, with small bubbles forming slowly. She let the sauce simmer on low heat. Poach. Gently cook food in simmering liquid, keeping the temperature below boiling. He poached the eggs in simmering water. Sauté. Quickly cook food in a small amount of oil or fat in a pan over high heat, often while stirring. She sautéed the mushrooms in butter. Stir fry. Rapidly cook small pieces of food over high heat in a small amount of oil, constantly stirring. He stir-fried the chicken and vegetables in a wok. Pan fry. Cook food in a small amount of oil in a pan, typically at a moderate temperature. 11. Pan fry. She pan-fried the fish until it was golden brown. Deep fry. Submerge food completely in hot oil, cooking until crispy and golden. They deep-fried the chicken wings for the party. Braise. Slowly cook food in a small amount of liquid in a covered pot, usually after browning it first. She braised the beef in red wine. Glaze. Apply a glossy, often sweet coating to food, sometimes by broiling or baking. He glazed the ham with a honey mustard sauce. Barbecue. Cook food slowly on a grill or smoker, typically using indirect heat and smoke for flavor. They barbecued the ribs on a charcoal grill. Broil. Cook food directly under high heat from an overhead source, often in an oven. She broiled the fish in the oven. Blanch. Briefly boil food and then immediately cool it in ice water to stop the cooking process. To preserve its vibrant color and crisp texture, blanch the broccoli in boiling water for 2 minutes before plunging it into ice water. Toast. Brown food by exposing it to direct heat, such as in a toaster or under a broiler. She toasted the bread until it was crispy.